Guys, welcome back to another live stream. I don't know what happened. I clicked 115 on the thing. I clicked it. I clicked 115. I did it. And then somehow got lost in the freaking metaverse. And now it said 12:30. So sorry about that, guys. I'm still holding the SPY Micron puts. I actually ended up buying more SPY puts. So I don't know. I think it's going to come down. We'll see. My plan with the Micron is a little bit different than what I usually do with Micron trades. I'm going to, at some point over the next hour or so, probably sell a couple of my contracts and then leave a free one for tomorrow, just to see what happens if it continues to go down. It's down 6% today. It could revert today. Maybe I'll even buy a little YOLO call on it. Oh, Micron strangle going into tomorrow. That would be fun. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. SPY's flicking around right here on the 5-minute 13 EMA, just kind of doing its thing. Micron coming down. I mean, the contracts are up pretty good. I think they're up like 45% or something crazy like that. Not too crazy, but let's see. No, 45%. Nice. SPY contracts are down 12%. So that's where I'm at with these. Micron coming back down. AMC right now trying to come back up. 1504, down 4.27% over here. GME coming down 97.12. Woo, that's not fun. That is no fun over here. Sure, Biden. You're going to call me Biden now, huh? Is that what we're doing here? You're just going to call me Biden now. All right. I see how it is. I'll see how it is. Squirrel paper-handed SPY. You didn't really paper-hand SPY. You just, what's going on with oil? Oxy calls dying. Well, somebody, I think it's called ICE, increased like margin requirements on oil futures. So that could cause some margin calls on some people that are kind of screwed on oil. Let's see. All right, people. Let's see what we got. A Tito's bottle fell? No. All right. So here's what I'm going to do with the SPY. If it breaks up here, closing candle above the 48 EMA again, and doesn't just rip right back down, probably going to get out. But other than that, everything's looking pretty good. Micron, I mean, what are these up right now? 45.5%. Nice. Killing it. Trace Mustache, I know you're crushing it on there too, unless you sold them. Stopped out on the SPY. I should have stopped out on the SPY. What, Carlo? If option expires tomorrow, is that at market open or market close? Market close. Comfort me, Vix. I can't. I do it all the time. Don't worry. You're just gonna have to deal with it, you know? You just gotta be a big boy and just understand that you're a paper-handed bitch. I'm just kidding. You're fine. All right, SPY 5-minute MACD. Cross up here. Micron's still at the low under that 13 EMA. That's just kind of what it's doing. It's just waiting for another move down. I mean, no 5-minute MACD cross down yet. If it does, look out below. But SPY flickering around a little bit here. 1504 on Amy. Let's do a quick Vortex update as everybody is filtering in. And again, guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot getting some more people in here. So what do we got here? 1.78% average cost borrow, 20.74% estimated short interest, 100% utilization, 47,000 shares net borrowed on Amy today. Yeah, that's about it. 129 million shares on loan, 106 million estimated shares sold short. IMSTV, and how we traded hands? Yeah, we did. Ooh, let's see. What about the 47,000 shares left to offer when releasing those? Test the share offering theory. What's 47,000 shares going to do? It's nothing. That's less than a couple of candles. It needs to be a decent amount. LMT to 480. Is it ripping? No. I mean, it's trying to do something. SPY. Don't you do that. No. Stop it. No. This is not how we do things around here. Micron coming up. All right, I might make that Micron free now and then see what happens. Sell 4. SPY, don't be a shithead like this. This is not how we do things around here, pal. How are you not going to fill me on that? Like, how? That's a penny difference. It's a penny, bro. Thank you. Filled the Micron. Ooh, oh boy. Let's see. Discovered this live this morning. Very helpful so far. Thank you. Sticking around for sure. I appreciate that, Vapor Rub. I appreciate that, man. All right, here. Let's see. Micron coming back up. I made the contracts free. Not bad. So I have a free contract now on Micron. Cool. And I've made some money on it. So, all right. This is going to be the deciding candle here. What are we going to do with the SPY? It's still just lower high. Well, that didn't make a lower low, which kind of sucks, but we'll see what happens right here. If this just goes boom, get out. That's probably what I'll do. Spy. Yell at Oxy. It does need help. Whoever bought those Micron $75 calls, I mean, they printed for you probably when it ran up a little bit, like right here, but it shark finned on us. Really, shark finned on you. I have puts. Let's see. Favorite movie of all time? I don't know, man. I don't know. All right, let's see here. Micron back down. Spy. Don't you do it. Don't you? Yeah, Oxy. It's just going to do it. It's going to. Oh, wait. I actually probably should do something with that. Yeah, I probably should. Bye-bye. So I'm going to get out of the Oxy strangle. Take the L on it. See what the quad U is going to give me. So no more Oxy strangle. That thing's gone. Quad U's looking decent. I just think these spy moves are bullshit, and I think it's coming back down. That's just what I think. Goldman just announced to leave the Russia. That was this morning. Yeah, we saw that. But let's see here, people. Yeah, for everybody filtered in too, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot. We're going to be on until the end of the day. Ford about to cross soon. Got in too early, I think. Yeah, you might have. I mean, Spy's just flickering around here. You're going to have to watch the spot. Micron back down. Spy trend screams down. Exactly. That's why I'm holding these, dude. I just think these moves are bullshit. I think eventually something's going to happen and it's just going to release down. Where's the other box? Oh, that's way too far away. Afternoon, SCV. Hope you had a great lunch. Can you maybe advise on Max Payne for Amy and Jimmy? I know Max Payne on AMC is 17. I don't think we really see it on Jimmy a lot. The Max Payne on Jimmy doesn't really do its thing. I haven't seen it. Spy is so drunk. I know, dude. It's insane. Hey, what's up? Got into Mullen options because they were cheap for me. Trying to build up my account to buy decent calls and they sank on me. What are the odds it comes back before next Friday? You could probably see a giant volatile day, but Alex, what I've been saying on Mullen is I don't trade options on stocks like that have low, like really, really low share prices. It's much more beneficial to you, most likely, to just buy the shares. You have a hard time cutting losers. Just set the stop when you're entering the trade. It'll take it completely out of your hand. It hits it out. Let's see. Let's see. Spy flickering. I don't know. I'm going to hold that Micron put into tomorrow. Just kind of see what happens. Let's see here. What is going on, folks? Did I get a chance to watch that short video? Oh, shoot, Ryan. I didn't. I'm sorry. I forgot. I'll try to watch it after. I'm like very brain dead after this week. Then my breaks next week. So natural gas is popping. Oh boy. Don't you do it. Don't. God damn it. Nat gas is running. HD approaching the 200 EMA. Let's see. Spy coming up. The UVXE 20-minute chart says tank coming. I just don't see the buyer stepping in on Spy today. It's just why? What's the reason for the trend to come back for the Spy? Like why would they do that? Do it by Ung? No, I'm not going to. But I'll leave it up here for you guys if you want to get tempted by the sirens or whatever they're called. Let's see. Oh, within the stop on the Spy. That's nice. Even though it just went out of the stop. My mental stop. Down $3 on the quad U strangle. Let's see. S&P to implement unscheduled roll event for nickel. That's weird. Let's see. Amy 1508 trying to come up here a little bit. YOLO. Stop it. Stop it. Don't you fall for it. Don't you fall for it. Natural gas is coming up, but be careful. Never use a stop loss. I get nervous on new things, but you should try it. I should try it. I'll get more trade money to the account after a payday or two. Yeah. Definitely stop loss. I do mental stops because I try, but the thing is like if I would have been stopped out on the SPY a couple of times today, I mean, I'm still a little bit red, but at the same time, I see the SPY as going down. Is this the bat signal? I don't know. Whoa. Don't you do this to me, Ung. Please don't. Don't tempt me, man. Current borrowed shares for AMC, 129 million, I believe. 129.28 million. SPY down. Daniel, I know the 20-minute chart says that. My 5-minute chart says SPY go poopy. You got stopped down on SPY, try to be disciplined. I mean, I'm trying as well, but I also don't want to like. Here's the thing. If I'm buying deeper out of the money contracts with a little bit of time, in my mind, they're going to be volatile. So unless I'm going to cough up the money to buy the in the money at the money contracts, it's going to hit the stop. Like if it flickers around a little bit, it will hit the stop and you'll get stopped out. So there's two things you can do. One, if you want to be a little bit more risky, which this is not following the rules at all, so don't do this. You can hold it through the stop a little bit and increase your stop loss by putting less money initially into the trade. Because technically, if you're going by dollar amount, it's the same difference. It's the same. It's like if you're all right, freaking Ung is coming up here. That's crazy. So it's the same thing. It's like, all right, if you're willing to risk a certain amount on a trade in terms of your overall portfolio, we'll just put in less money and the stop's going to be bigger if you're trading deeper out of the money contracts. But that's not the rules. Ung halted? No, it shouldn't be halted on this. It should not be halted. It didn't move that much. Amazon stock split, LFG. There you go. Shares of multiple Chinese companies are trading lower following reports. The SEC has identified multiple U.S.-listed ADRs having not adhered to Hold Foreign Companies Accountable Act. This is why I don't trade Chinese stocks, because of that. No, Ung is not halted. It's moving. It's just moving slow. SPY, you freaking a-hole, bro. It's so annoying. It's so annoying. What's good, Vix? What's up, Long? How you doing, buddy? Damn, Ung is actually going here a little bit. Nat gas is coming up. I should bring SPY a little lower. Correct me if I'm wrong, but 129 million shares on loan is 1.9 billion worth on loan. Maybe if you just multiply by the current share price, you'll get the number. So if you did that, you're probably right. Someone kicks SPY in the nuts. Kenny! Kenny! God, these SPY candles are stupid. Is this coming up to the 200 EMA? On the one? Oh, you fucker. Let's see. I'll join as a member if you buy Ung. No, you cannot tempt me with your membership to YOLO on natural gas. Just jumped in. Squirrel got SPY puts. Squirrel does have SPY puts, I think. But I mean, I'm down on mine. There's no way things stay this quiet and it close. That's what I'm saying. Like if you look at the chart here, 30-minute. Look. The 30-minute says it's going down. Yeah, it detached a little bit, but it's following this 13 EMA down. Haven't gotten that MACD cross. It's rejecting off this 13 EMA on the 30-minute. I mean, what else do we want here? The 1 hour, same thing. Same thing over here. Crossing down, just starts to bleed. I mean, yeah, it detached a little bit, but it's coming back up, rejecting. We could easily see this thing come down a little bit more. The daily chart. I mean, the daily chart's kind of fucked up, but what about the 4 hour? 4 hour comes up into this box, down. Oh my God, is it ripping right now? Let's see. UVXY 5 minutes shows lower highs and lower lows. Well, that would mean that UVXY is a reflection of the SPY. UVXY is not going to move by itself and then move the SPY. UVXY is a reflection of the volatility on the S&P 500 option chain. So typically, if you see the IV start to pick up on the put side, it's measuring the IV of the puts. So if it starts to move down, then UVXY is going to move. So UVXY should move after the SPY. So UVXY doing this is kind of a reflection of what the SPY's already done, if that makes sense. So it's like SPY move, UVXY move, SPY move, UVXY move. So if you start to see UVXY pop, SPY comes down. But if you're wrong, then I lose a little bit of money. That's how this works. It's not the end of the world. If I'm wrong, I lose a little bit of money. If I'm right, I make some money. That's all it is. TLT leads sometimes because it takes some time for the bonds to move, but thanks for closing your Oxy position. No way. No way. No way. Oh, nothing happened. Micron. Yeah, so I have a free Micron put going into tomorrow. See what happens with that thing. I don't know. So the longer term wouldn't tell us what SPY might do? Probably not, no. It probably shouldn't. I would just look at longer term SPY. Longer term SPY says, I mean, if this gets a 30-minute MACD cross, I will get out of this. Riskiest play you made in a while. I mean, it's not that risky. It's just, I think the SPY is going to move. That's really it. Like, should you be doing this? No, absolutely not. Like, it's wonky today. Like, you get this weird 1348 cross down, and then it just flickers around all the time. Could it start to tank? Yes. Could it rip up into this box over here? Absolutely. But, I mean, I'm not going to let it go that far. I might even hit the market order button. Just get me out. All right, let's see. I was going to call panic if this was that easy to call. Yeah, it's not. It's a reflection of what's going on with the SPY. Stripe announces payment support for crypto businesses. Interesting. Micron 40%. Mass gang incoming. What's up? Let me shoot TMI that link really quickly. All right, team. See what we're going to get here. Micron down. SPY back right around the stop. Mass gang, what's up, people? How you guys doing? You guys know the deal. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Let's have some fun today, people, huh? Let's have some fun. All right. I mean, I'm having fun with these SPY positions right here. Not really yet, but I mean, I think I could have some fun with it. It's possible. It's possible. All right. Micron coming back down. Salad tossers. All right, Jazz Cabbage. I don't know what you've been on today, but I mean, that's aggressive right here. You're playing. All right. Problem here is it needs to break this 13 EMA to the downside. Like, it needs to go boom flush. So like right now, if the trend on the SPY is going to be lower high, lower low, that's fine with me. Market is hard today. I give up. Market's very hard today. All right. I mean, the Micron's good. I like it. Let's see what happens with the SPY tomorrow. I mean, I might. Okay. So if these SPY positions play out well enough, I might get a free one into tomorrow. Maybe. I don't know. That's aggressive. It is aggressive. I don't know what you're doing over there, but it's suspicious. Micron down. SPY holding. Is now a good time to buy BABA? I do not like Chinese stocks, except for NEO. You playing SPY Poons? Yeah, Ben. I am. Big Mullen candle. I don't like. I thought I was nuts. Market stop me out. Yeah, it's wild this week. There's nothing really you can do. You can hit a big play and hopefully it keeps you alive, but market this week, like the last 2 days, have been shitty. It's just like, all right, well, what are we gonna do here? It's like the volatility. There's a lot of volatility. It's almost like it confirms after it's already made the move. So it's just like shark fin city here. It's shark week on the SPY or in the market. That's literally what it is. Like Micron, good, but here's the deal with Micron. There's no cross. Like this was a 50+% play, 80% play at one point. The problem is there's no cross. SPY, there. I disagree with this move. I fully and wholeheartedly disagree. All right, let's watch 23. Going into bear mode, not buying puts, just hibernating. Yeah. You have SPY calls from this morning that are still very red. Yeah, dude, it's just a bunch of not. All right, SPY's about to get a 1348 cross on the 5-minute below the 200 EMA. Fuck. All right, let's see. Retesting trend line. How about it doesn't? How about we just don't? UVXY looking for new day lows. God, screw you, UVXY. I think SB needs some cookies and milk. I do. I also need SPY to go down. Time to switch to calls on SPY. I wholeheartedly still disagree with you. Let's see. I agree with this move. I mean, I like that Amy's trying to make a move up here. No, this is where I bought puts. Yeah. Yeah, these are big, stupid SPY candles over here. Getting slapped all over the place today. SPY to 431. I just think this is number one bullshit right here. You DM me? All right, let's see. All right, let's see. Oh, okay, cool. I see it. Ah, that was terrifying. All right, if it breaks 23, I'm out. Walmart coming up again, new daily high. Ooh. SPY 4 to 31 would be awesome. Not for me. Micron's still low. Let's see. Maybe rejects off the 200 EMA on the 5-minute and then drop. I'm not holding it up to the 200 EMA. That will not happen. That's it, my dude. SPY calls. Yeah, I'm still in SPY puts. Let's see. Today's just weird. Like, there's nothing really crossing. Like, it's just like, all right, well, let's see what we can do. This whole week has kind of been like a, yeah, probably don't trade it this week. But we've just done it anyway. Let's see. Respecting trend line. I see that. I see that. How's the crack withdrawal going? Obviously not good. All right, guys. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in. Let's have some fun going into the afternoon, huh? UVXY got a drop. UVXY's got a rip for this to happen. Where's UVXY? I don't really care a whole lot about Micron now because I already... Oh, my God. That's not good for SPY puts. Vortex, we just did it. It's like 129 million shares on loan, 20.73% estimated short interest. Yeah. No, UVXY bouncing here. I'll make you a deal. You close your SPY first, that way it drops. That's not the deal. I'm not willing to take that trade. You're in luck. I got a call, so now it's a tank for you. All right, cool. Ready to go. Walmart price above the 200 and the 30. Yeah, I mean, Walmart was good today. I just didn't want to hold them. Took a little bit of a gain on it. That's a big W for the SPY. Yeah. I mean, a little bit of a cup and handle right here. This is what I'm worried about. I'm worried about like cup, handle, and then 1348 cross rip. That's what I'm worried about here. You're about to take 15% on SPY calls. Good for you, the AR guy. Good for you. Let's see. Stop farting around. I don't even know if that's a term. How did I know to play Walmart? Walmart was 1348. False signal to the upside. Don't be scared. I'm not scared. I'm not scared. I'm not scared. You just got laser hair removal on my neck beard line. Holy Rance, that's aggressive, buddy. What are you doing over there? Yep, still in SPY puts. Down a little bit on him. Not much, but you know. Oh, and I cut the Micron. I made the Micron free. Bull trap. Oh, I would love to see a bull trap here, unless it just rips the freaking 423 and then I have to get out. That's the issue here. Captain Neckbeard? That's an interesting name. Hammer Cannon for only a 5-minute UVXY should move up a bit. Nah, UVXY coming down. SPY probably coming up here. I mean, if it breaks 423, I'm getting out. You're a bull trap. Still in SPY calls down a bit on him. Yeah. All right, people. Let's see. 1506 on Amy. GME trying to come back up here a little bit. It's at 99.49. Just kind of doing its thing over here. I mean, the freaking volume is just. Hold on. Is this MACD curling? No. Rippy spies. Don't you taunt it. It will do it. Don't you do it. CEI needs to eat some Taco Bell. I probably did, didn't it? Quad U on the 1 minute. I mean, that's up a little bit today. I got it. I didn't realize that I had it for next week. That's good. Here we go, Micron. This is permanent, perfect beard every day. I wish, Rans. You got any tips on how to, like, get a better beard? Because I need that. Max pain for AMC is 17. We're at 1498 right here. It'll probably drop tomorrow. Tomorrow Friday. Today's Thursday, right? Down SPY. Let's see. HYMC running. That's another oil play, isn't it? I'm not the biggest fan of these penny stocks. You can trade them if you want to. Not for me though. I mean, they have a chain. Oh, stay the hell away from that. I don't want to see anybody buying options on these things. It's not worth it. Because if a stock goes up 60%, what are the options up today? 233. It's not bad, but again, if a stock goes up 60%, your option should be up thousands of percent. That's the issue with these. The risk reward just isn't there. You got to not shave? No, because then it looks stupid. You love popcorn and video games? YOLO. Yep. Remember that time that SPY randomly tanked 2% in power hour? Yeah. I'm down. Don't worry, chat. SV will hit puberty this year. What's up, Vegas? How you doing, buddy? All right, let's get UVXY back up here. See if it's going to do anything special. Nothing too crazy. SPY gearing up for a blast. You see 423.50. Well, if it hits 423, I'm out. I'm not messing around with it anymore. Have you tried putting your face in cider? No, Rogue, I have not. So, G, just chilling. I'm trying to make some money on these freaking SPY puts, bro. I've got my conviction locked and loaded. I just think these SPY. We've done this a few times where I've like yelled at the SPY or Oxy or something every day, and then like coming into the end of the day, it does what I want, and then I freak out and I have an awesome time. But then like the one time I did it, it was like a 30% gain, and I was like, this is fucking nonsense. I was like, there was so much stress for 30%. Like, that's stupid. Have you tried not eating so much soy? Dude, I don't eat soy. Doesn't that boost your like estrogen levels if you eat a bunch of soy? All right, UVXY pop, SPY. SPY needs to break this 13 here. SPY higher lows. But lower highs though. And then this, it's like this. If you just look at it from a year, it's lower. I don't know. I just think it's bullshit. Which is not how you should trade. This spot, fuck, it's about to get a 1348 too. Are your SPY puts for tomorrow? Yes. I'm not holding them until tomorrow, but they are for tomorrow, yes. You scalped the SPY twice today, made 200 each time, but I don't know about doing it a third time. It's just weird today. Like, look at this. I mean, the 1348 is about to cross. When this candle closes, it's about to cross. Volatility going down implies volatility will go up soon. Fair. Yeah, so when this next candle closes, you should get a 1348 cross right here. If it pumps on that, where's it on the 30-minute again? Rejected again at that 13. Oh, it didn't cross. No cross. How do you know what max pain is? I just look it up. All right, let's see. Let's short soy. Why would you do such a thing? All right, guys, if you don't mind, hit that like button on your way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. But if you're struggling with a beard at your age, it's probably not going to happen. You know what, man? Hey, I grew really late, so you never know. I started growing out when I was like 16 years old. UVXY coming down. I wouldn't even buy SPY calls here. I'm just kind of in these puts. Like, that's the thing. Like, I'm not buying more puts. I'm not buying calls here. It's just hold it, see what happens for a little bit is essentially what I'm saying. Trading ever after. What are you saying, buddy? Prague on the 3-day? Prague's weird. Prague needs... Oh, shit. It's crossing. Still below the 200, though. SPY calls seemed right. So far, so good. It's not really doing a whole lot, though. I'm still waiting for my 423. Get a straw? Kayla? No. It's dictatorship around here. I do what I want. UVXY new day low. Here it comes. Here it comes. Yeah, it's just not doing much right now. It hit it. It hit my sell level. This is stupid. This is utter nonsense here. Amy coming up a little bit here. 1507, not bad. Get in before the run on Prague. I just don't see it run. It just flickers around. All right. Yeah, SPY. Bye-bye. Oh, it didn't fill me. It didn't fill me. That's busted. That's busted. Busted, busted, busted. All right, sold it. Bye-bye. SPY pop. Yeah. Let's see. SPY's on a loop. Yeah. Watch it test this 200 and then just make new lows. UVXY dropping like it's hot. Yeah. I mean, this is coming up. This is getting wild. Let's see. We still got the quad U's doing good. Oh, the quad. Hold on. Quad U. Hold on. Oh, there she blows over here. About to get a 1348 cross to the upside on uranium. Woo! Hold your microns. I have a free micron. It's up 23%. It's free. It's completely free. Completely free. All right. So out of the SPY trade. Got stopped out. Have I joined the Secret Society of Whales yet? What's that? That sounds fun. UEC2. All right, people. Let's see. Amy's trying to come up here a little bit. 1513. GME trying to get above 100. Uranium back up. Any news? U.S. ban on Russia doesn't include uranium. That's 2 days ago. There's nothing else on this. So yesterday we got news that the ban on the sanctions could include uranium. Let's see. SPY moving up. Uranium coming up. Let's see. Yeah, the quad U is looking good. Let's see what we're going to get here. Okay, I like this U. There's another U in there. All right, freaking SPY doing its thing over here. Whoever's getting those SPY calls early before the cross, there you go, man. Watch it just go nuclear into close. Just go on an absolute nuking moon mission. Rip SPY puts. Yeah, more caddy stories now. I feel like you guys got the best one yesterday where I was watching people smoke crack. All right, SPY closed above the 200 EMA. You're looking good over here on these on SPY calls. I don't really like it. I'm not touching it, but what about like DraftKings? Uber. What else do we have? Let's see. All right, folks. You have a strangle on SPY. If it goes up, it must come down. Eventually, yeah. Quad U, 1348 cross. Just getting back in. Things look spicier than they did this morning. Yeah, man. This is just absolute wildness over here. Neo, showtime. No, but Neo puts for the play today after that giant day yesterday. You hit the like button. Thank you, Patrick. I appreciate that, buddy. Yeah, also, as you guys are filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot. Let's see. Amy coming up here a little bit. Let's see if we can go green. We're down 52 cents right now. SPY's trying to make a nice little move to the upside here. Not bad. You taking quad U? I already have it. I already have the strangle for next week on it. It's coming down, but let's see what happens with it. Bitcoin going up. What's oil saying? Down 106.81. The lawyer said it's the bank's job, and the bank is saying it's the lawyer's job. Someone do their job and get me my money. There you go, Ryan. All right, SPY moving up here. There it goes. SPY 1348 cross. Does it make sense to make 1348 plays this late in the day? Depends on what you're trading. Nvidia. I don't ignore anybody. Some people I do ignore. Most people I don't ignore. Nvidia's coming back up. About to get that 1348 cross coming to the upside. If SPY goes green, how quickly will Neo run up? Probably not that much with that China news coming. Quad U now crossing up on the 5-minute. There you go. Apparently trading on synthetic oxy isn't a good idea. No, it's not a good idea. All right. What's SPY look like on the 1-minute? Coming down to test that 13 EMA over here. Maybe on the 1-minute. Let's see. SPY shark fin. It might. SPY could easily be a shark fin right here. Or it could just run all the way back up to the lower end of this range here. U.S. investment funds saw 5.36 billion in outflows, while U.S. high yield funds saw 1.6 billion in outflows this week. Muni fund outflow. Wow. Flight to cash, huh? Wally World still moving. Damn, Walmart ripping again. Let's see. Strength, no weakness. Yeah, pretty much. I mean, SPY weakness over here. Shark fin, shark fin, shark fin. Oil going down. Yeah, where's quad U? And that looks good, man. SPY turning on MACD 1-minute. Up or, I mean, down. It's curling. It's curling. Just enough weakness to bring the RSI and keep moving up. You need quad U to go up. Yeah. I would like that strangle to hit. That would be sweet. All right, let's see. What's up, Armand? How you doing, buddy? Let's see. SPY calls up 55%. There you go. There you go. Yeah, the Micron play was the best one today. Technically, Walmart, when we called it out, I got out a little bit early with some money on it. But other than that, your quad U strangle is green now? Yeah, mine is too, I think. Let's see. Market has been very crazy this week. Very crazy. What am I drinking? Hedgy Tears. Charge point crossing up. Ooh, not bad. Yeah, I already hit charge point this week for a decent one. Then I made it free. Then I sold the other contract yesterday. I would take profit at 55% and run. Too choppy to not take profit. I would agree with you on that one. Please let me know if quad U hits 11. I will. It's at 991 right now. 992. People are going to bid this up, especially over the weekend. If we get some news on it, that would be pretty crazy. Alrighty, folks. Let's see what we're going to get here. You got an AMC at 10 last January before the run to 70. I didn't sell because I was concerned with taxes and the to the moon mentality. I make the right choice. I don't know, man. I mean, I think it's going to go up still. I think eventually it's definitely going to go up. But that's my opinion on it. That's why I'm holding it. You got to do your own research on it and like to incorporate some of the points that we make on it and be like, all right, does this sound good? Does this sound bad? That's pretty much all you got to do. Here comes quad U. Let's see if we can make a new day. Or that's on the day high. The day high is 1046. This thing could run into close. Big Fox. Mine's not hot. That's such a good song. Have you ever seen the Genius interview with that guy? I forget his name. This is the funniest thing of all time. It's the funniest thing of all time. All right, Amy 1509. Let's see what we're gonna get over here. XELA into tomorrow. Penny stock. I don't like these guys. I don't like these penny stock plays. They're not for me. I just don't like them. It could be the best company in the world. It's not for me, man. Can they rip? Yeah. Can they also tank? Yeah. I mean, I wouldn't trade options on it at all. Let's see here. All right. Spy trying to come back up here a little bit. Big Shaq. Dude, it's hilarious. He put me next to the sun. I still have my jacket on. That video is so funny. If you haven't seen that one, you got to go watch that. That's a really good one. Because then he just does the song with like no audio. It's Spy coming up here a little bit. Oxys are running. Ah, man. I mean, if it goes, I'll trade some tomorrow. But I mean, it's just flickering around. UVXY MACD says Spy will rally into close. Hey, man, let's do it. Let's do it. Appreciate USV. Diamond backhand. I appreciate that, man. All right, Spy coming up here. Let's see if we can make a new, more recent high. What is it? 423.87. So let's see here. It has a buyback at 1.25. I'd have to do more research into it. I also don't know anything about it. It could be great and it could have a lot of potential. I haven't done research into it, so I'm always going to be biased on those types of stocks to say no. Always. Just because of how they typically move. Spy's trying to fight at this 5-minute 200 EMA. And on the 30-minute, it's coming up to the 48. So the 30-minute MACD did just cross. So that could be a sign of Spy running into close. Quad U, is it running? It's trying here. Got that 5-minute MACD cross, trying to come up. Let's see. Spy also fighting VWAP. Ah, interesting. What's VWAP at right now? SPY can't get it up. It's struggling, man. SPY is struggling. Yeah, guys. Also, if you guys don't mind hitting that like button on your way in, helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Thank you guys so much. Looks like a bull flag printed on Oxy today on the 5-minute. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, hold on. What do we got going on over here? All right, let's see. Poop, pop. What's popping? What's popping? UEC is trucking again. Yeah, I mean, so is Quad U. It's trying to go. 423.60. Yeah, it's fighting around there. I don't know. Let's see. We got that 5-minute MACD cross. It's trying to get above that 200 EMA with some momentum. See what happens. So long as the RSI stays above 48.50, every close lower than the previous lowers the RSI for the next trading period. Cool. So it's coming back up to VWAP again. Quad U's trying to break above 10. I feel like there's a lot of. Let's check the open because on CNBC today there was some unusual options activity for this. Yeah, there's a decent amount of open interest at this 10. They're gonna have to hedge this. What about April? Yeah, there's a lot of open interest on some of these, especially for April. And July, nothing. So March and April have decent amount of open interest on Quad U. Oh, what's up, Esther? How you doing, buddy? I'm doing pretty good. Oxy 5-minute cross. Yeah. All right. These uranium strangles are doing good. SPY ripping to close. I'd love to see it, man. I would love to see it. Rivian contracts are kind of expensive. No earnings strangle for you. Yeah. What has earnings today? I know there's a decent amount of them because Thursday's a decent day for earnings. All right. Blink. DocuSign. Shit. Rivian, Oracle, Ulta. Oh my DocuSign. Look at this. Ready? 230, 240 to 121. This is drunk. This is absolutely drunk. What's the chain look like on it? Oh, it's stupid. It's stupid on the DocuSign chain. Blink. Rivian. Oracle. Oracle is actually a decent one. Oracle is going to be cheap. Actually, Oracle's a little more expensive than it usually is. Interesting. Okay. Well, earnings here. What is this? Gap 89. Wow, 106. Damn. Maybe I'll play some Oracle. Yeah, maybe Oracle will be the one that I play. Let's see. Walmart still? Damn, there you go. Oracle is pricey. Yeah, you can go for the next week though and get a little bit more time on it, go a little bit further out of the money, and you can still, if it's a giant mover, it doesn't really matter what you get and what time. Will there most likely be a gap fill? Typically there is, but today that's kind of what I was playing on these puts. It looked like he was going to try to do a little bit of a gap fill, and then it just never did. Have you given it any more thought? Esther, I really like it. I really like the idea. SPY pop in here. The problem is getting people to understand. That's the issue, Esther. Like, I 100% agree with the theory. 100%. The only thing that I'm thinking here is I want to know, and I know we can't get this number. I want to know how many short exemption stuff are out there. Because, like, why isn't the volume of it, like, that's the one thing. It's like the FTDs and stuff, they have been high in the past. It's like, okay, did they close any of them out or not? I think it's likely that they didn't. All right, SPY's ripping here. It's likely that they didn't, but at the same time, you're working on that. I'm trying to line up talking. Okay, cool. I just think all right, SPY's ripping here. Let's see. I just think it's gonna be really hard to get people to be like, yes, Because then they're like, we can't, they aren't reporting. Yes, exactly. It's bullshit. The one thing that people have to get through their heads with it is that everybody's going to say it's dilution, but it's entirely possible that it's not dilution at all. It's the opposite. And then they just have to do it again once the price starts running. All right. Did I get SPY calls a little while ago? Yeah, I did. So I'm up 30%. 30% on SPY call. Ready? Here it is. Is this it? So I got some SPY calls. I quietly got some SPY calls. My bad. It's running here. It could run into close. The UVXY stuff. Uber pop. Yeah. Something in the way. SPY calls from this morning. Want to talk at some point? Esther, sure. I might make a video on it this weekend on like my initial thoughts on it right now. Like I might do it. Might have to do it. Good job. You're a SPY call. I know. I don't know what's gonna happen here. I got no idea. Again, watch it at the box. Watch it at the box zone. So yeah, Esther, definitely. I think. Okay, the one thing, Esther. Here's the one thing that I read in the thing where I was like, "That's kind of nonsense," but like everything else is good. The Kansas thing. The Kansas thing. I was like, oh, come on, man. Why do you gotta be like that? The Kansas thing, Esther, was literally just us all coming together just to hang out because we all did the same thing. And then it was also like, if there's other stuff that we want to talk about, we don't want people to be like, oh no, they're leaving AMC. That was literally it. Because we never left AMC. We all talk about AMC all the time. It was like, all right, well, if there's something crazy going on, or we want to incorporate something else in our videos, we don't want everybody to lose their mind. That's literally all it was. And can you clear that up for me? Which one? Clear what up for you? Oh, the Kansas stuff? Yeah, dude. I have to clear up the Kansas stuff for you anytime. Like, I'll tell you minute by minute everything that we did. I got off the plane. I got picked up. Then we went to Buffalo Wild Wings. And then we went to a liquor store. And then we went back to the Airbnb. And then we were just drinking and hanging out. And then Trey's like, hey, I could either come now or like the next day. And we were like, just come now. And he's like, all right, I'll get there at 2 a.m. So we're like, all right, we'll just keep drinking. So then we just drank and then stayed up. And then Trey gets there and then we're having fun. And then TMI is like sleeping because he has to wake up at 6 a.m. and stream. And then it becomes like TMI's live. And then we all go back to the other, because we had 2 Airbnbs. The other one, and TMI's live, and then we just get on the live stream, and then we went to bed. And then the next day, I couldn't speak because like I just was so tired. My voice was gone. And then that was pretty much it. We went home. We got pizza. We did get pizza. Let's see. Let's see. But it's in the paper because it remained a narrative moment. Yeah, that's fine. I mean, people like to say it all the time. Like that's the one thing. Like when you see things like on the internet that are just like, oh, people start speculating, and then you actually know like what was going on, you're just like, all right, man, like go for it, have your fun. But no, it was just like us hanging out. We were like, oh, we've never met each other before, so we might as well do it. Let's see. Oxycross. I acknowledge it was speculative, but I was hoping it would encourage you guys to want to talk about it. Yeah, it's fine. We can talk about it all day long. I've talked about it a few times. People do it, and I'm just like, all right, that's fine. You can do it, but let's see. Your Walmart calls are up 160%. There you go. I mean, I know you control the price. I don't control the price, but I would be careful with it. I would be very careful with it. All right, 14% on SPY calls. Let's see what happens here. Abused squirrel in Kansas. Let's see. I'm closing my eyes, but I'll be listening for Quad U. Oh, 10:02. Our Rise segment, once we had the conversation, it wasn't to blame you, it was to paint a picture of the narrative leading up to UTAD in September. Okay, cool. Yeah, we can talk about it. This weekend, I'll probably have a lot of time this weekend where we can go over it. Oh, and we went to Topgolf. That was fun. We went to Topgolf too. SPY coming back down a little bit here. And a casino. We did go to the casino too. What's oil at? 106.68 is what WTI is at. You didn't sell your Micron puts at 106%. I thought it had more downside. Oh God. Oh God. Let's see. What's Ung doing? Shark on what? On SPY? Fine. I'll take my gain. I'll take my 10%. All right, that's it for the day. All right, let's see. Let's see. Carlos, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. AGRI. Yeah, I mean, it's up 162% today. That's not bad. 441, not too bad, man. When do they decide on sanctions for uranium? Probably over the next week or so. So let's see here. 18% and going. There you go, man. Uber with the phony cross. I mean, they're all doing it. Claude U, how's this doing? 1003, not bad. Not bad. Epic shark fin on the SPY. I mean, yeah, we wrote it up. Now it's coming back up. So let's see. Let's see. All right. Amy 1514 over here. SPY looks like it could form a cup and handle. It kind of already did. This was like weird cup and then handle, boom. I mean, this is kind of just a W too, just like a weird janky W. Let's see. Quad U coming down 998. What does the bot look like in the crypto section on Discord? It's the same thing. It just alerts you on when things are happening. Let's see. Is the market replaying yesterday's algorithm? Could be. What was yesterday? No. Yesterday was just, I mean, little W right here and then up and then down, but I don't think so. No. Let's see. If SPY bounces on 200 EMA on the 5-minute, that's an official 1348 cross to the upside, and that would complete the handle. Yeah. Well, it already did. Like, it's already, it doesn't need to bounce here. It could run from right here because it's already got these closing candles above it. But it's going to get some resistance right up here at the lower end of this box, 425.59, if it wants to get up there. Zoom out for the cup and handle. What time frame, Ben? Oh, like this is the whole cup? I gotcha. Gotcha. That makes more sense. Just made a quick 400 off that Tesla pop. There you go, man. Apple about to cross. I missed my mouth again. You drive me crazy with the that's really too bad, man. Same 1348 with the crypto side? Yeah, absolutely. Same thing. It's just trend lines. Or not trend lines. It's just moving averages. It's all moving averages. The only thing that could burn me today is Putin announcing pulling the troops out of Ukraine. Well, don't try to hope for war, bro. Like, if the market's gonna move based on it, trade off of it. But don't like take. I mean, you can do whatever you want. I'm not here to tell you what to do with your money, but I mean, if the market's gonna move in a direction because of it, and then you get it after, it's like, oh, the market moving this way. It's like the market's gonna do what the market's gonna do. But like, if you enter into a trade and you're like, I hope this, it's like, don't miss them out. I did. This streamer sits backwards on the toilet. No, I don't, Luigi. Them NVIDIA calls printed. There you go, Showtime. I love to hear that. Made a whole 1% today with 1348 on Bitcoin. Need to practice more. There you go, man. SPY moving up here a little bit. You YOLO'd SPY puts. Definitely failed my 1348 class. 1348 is like, some days you're just not going to see a lot of crosses happening. And this is one of those days. Like, yeah, you're getting a SPY cross now. You could have played this a little bit. I could have held my calls. But like, this market this week is drunk. Like, it's just moving weird. SPY handle forming. I mean, sort of. It's just like a weird, this could be the handle right here, unless it wants to come down a little bit more and then make a handle back to the upside. So cup, little tiny handle, maybe if it's going to really get aggressive to the upside here. You paper handed that SPY call. Yeah, man. I mean, you gotta do, sometimes you just gotta take it and run. Let's see. Change the algos. What's oil at? 106.11. You always sit backwards on the toilet so you have a better shelf for your chocolate milk. No, stop with the weird stuff today, people. All right, 15.14 on Amy. How many? We need 57 more cents to go green. Everything I picked up today is in the Goldilocks zone for breakouts, except Wally. Wally is good, dude. Wally, if I held it, would have been the best trade of the day, but Micron was best trade of the day. So where's Micron right now? Yeah, I'm holding that put into tomorrow. Screw them. So I have a free Micron put that I'm holding into tomorrow. Let's see here. 15.17 on Amy. SPY starting to come up here a little bit. I mean, Micron's coming up above the 48 here, but you can't handle the toilet talk. SPY's coming up here. There you go. 215. 25% on an IWM call. There you go. I mean, maybe it's SPY strangle season for tomorrow. Let's see. Hold on. Oh, the quad U is looking good here. Hold on. Quad U at 10. That's not bad. Zella taking off. Good luck, man. Your 1348 calls from Micron are up 20%. There you go, man. That's what we want to see. If you guys want to learn the strategy, make sure you guys check out the link to the Discord pinned in the top of the chat. You only have today and tomorrow for the free. And after that, the free alerts on those 5 stocks, and you're going to get daily alerts on a lot of the stocks in the Russell. I think those are going to be loaded up soon. And there's just going to be a small fee every single month for that. But if you want to try it out free, we've been doing this for 2 weeks. So make sure you guys hop in there. I mean, you're going to have tomorrow to do it. So, I mean, the strategy's solid. A lot of people are really crushing it with it. So make sure you guys check it out. Amy not moving with SPY again. It's trying, but it's just there's so many shares that they can use to short this thing. Like, it's ridiculous. SPY is getting ready to rip into close. I think it could. Amazing how shorts are continuing to pile into the top of all this 100% utilization. Are you not watching the videos, bro? Utilization's not 100%. It's just not. There's no way for it to be. There was that one day where it spiked to 100%, and then it has not moved. With days where like really crazy amount of shares are getting returned, it just hasn't moved at all, which is weird. You see it move sometimes. It has not moved at all. It's not real. A lot of other stocks did it too. They went from like 80% utilization to 100 really quick, and it's like, what the hell is going on? And then the cost to borrow is not moving either. There's no way the utilization is 100% right now. S3 has it at like 80 something percent. Like if other sources aren't like, yeah, it's really close to 100 or like even close to, or and the cost to borrow is that low, it's like, no way. Well, that's obvious. I was joking in the club. Sorry, buddy. Sorry. I apologize. That's my bad. Utilization is really at 420, 69%. Yeah. Beto wins today's P&E. Press a word for maximum flatness. Quad U, 1003. Amy, MACD, and RSI coming up. That's not bad. Lou said the utilization is at 150%. Oh, definitely not that. Definitely not that. Oh, man. Oh, man. Are you going to do a rant at the end of the day? I mean, I know that one's fake, but I know you're saying fake stuff. I might do it in the video tonight, too. Screw it. Fuck it. Amy coming up here a little bit. Wouldn't it be fun if they used what they did yesterday? It would, but that was off of news. So I don't know if you're going to get any news on it today. Next week, you're definitely going to get something on it. Don't be cheap. It's the price per dollar of gas. I made myself sick saying that. Wait, what? Oh, I can't believe gas is almost at $5 a gallon. Dude, it's insane. It's insane. If you close a position, can you get back in that position again the same day without a penalty? Well, technically, yes, if you can day trade it, but you might have a wash sale. You might have a wash sale on it. All right, everybody. As you guys are filtered into, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Let's see what we're going to get here. I do find it funny that utilization cannot be over 100% because of math rules, but short interest can be over 100% because of hypothecation and override math rules. Exactly. It's all nonsense. Like, it's crazy. It's like when people are like, oh, if it doesn't squeeze this month, it's over. It's like, what are you talking about? It's like everything doesn't make any sense. Like, none of this, there's no time frame on anything. Let's see. All right. SPY. Flickering. Quad U, 1003, just kind of chilling out around here. What do you think about Lou and his synthetic / real shares? Do you think they have real shares and we are holding synthetics? I personally think it's a load, but I've been wrong before. I think it's a load of horse shit that somebody can control what's real and what's fake and then hold it and then tell us that we all have synthetics with no evidence behind it because that, and then also come out and say that if it doesn't happen this month, it's not going to happen because, again, the fucking March 3rd thing didn't work out. So somebody's butthurt about it. And then it's like, no, if it doesn't happen this month, it's not going to happen. It's like 1517 on AMC. Let's see. 1001 on Quad U. You still in Oxy? No, I ditched it. Jimmy has the clamps on. Jimmy's not moving. 99.85 down 5% today. That's not ideal. Amy's down about 3.5%. I think we need more rockets on the charts. Yeah. Can you explain what OBV is? OBV is on balance volume. It gives an indication of like if there's a bunch of selling going on or not. So the OBV for AMC, it's fluctuated, but it's like kind of stayed pretty much the same. Like it doesn't make any sense. Like if you're gonna see that massive drop, you would also expect OBV to really drop too, but it didn't. It kind of held up. It did come down a little bit, so there was a little bit of selling, but not really enough to signify that type of drop. Let's see. Thanks for everything you do. I heard you mention how stocks get priced in already by market makers and the way it's done by adding a call put premium, dividing this. Wait, what? Yeah. So pricing in of options for like the expected move, you just add the at the money strikes. So if the stock's trading at 100, you add the $100 put, the $100 call, and then divide it by 100. Could OBV potentially be as accurate as utilization? It's possible, but not really after what Adam Aaron said recently. Not really. All right. Let's see. Quad U 1001. SPY coming back up here. Thanks for ditching Oxy. Now it's bouncing. Yeah, probably could have held it. Whatever. I'll be holding the Quad U though. Let's see. Oh, we got our new favorite shill in here. 600 value death. AMC is a scam created by YouTubers scheming from the start. You spelled scheming wrong. And how could we? Okay, so runs up in January when nobody's really looking at it. Scam runs up in June when we start talking about it because it's interesting. That kind of validates all our theories, but also scam, I guess. Now we're kind of sitting here waiting for the next one because short interest is really high. The fundamentals are continuously getting better. Nobody's really sold, but you're going to come here and say it's still a scam. What kind of crack are you smoking? Like, is the all right, whatever. Let's see here. Amy popping up a little bit here. SPY moving up. Rant candle. There we go. Haven't seen a rant candle in a while. Well, SPY popped up on it. And I thought I was on drugs. Tim, thanks for the super buddy. I really appreciate that. Spell check them shills. Yeah. Let's see. We don't listen to illiterates. Let's see. When are you going to be live on Rumble? Probably never, man. Unless they like just said that to get under your skin. Well, I just said what I said because I think you're stupid. Like, you didn't get under my skin. The stupidity of your argument is what gets me going. And then I rally up my people. So, like, I win in this situation here. Like, I like when the shills come in here and let me, like, kind of let loose and just explain the overall situation right here. The times it ran was after an offering. How we replace that with no offering? Seems like offerings lead to a run up. Wish was dilution wasn't a bad thing. Alex, technically not dilution, buddy. Have you been here when I've explained how it's potentially not dilutive, even though technically it shows it's diluting, but it's not. It's weird because technically those shares that get offered out technically go away. It's weird. Why wouldn't you be on Rumble? I don't know. I don't know how to use the internet. Let's see. Justin, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Just got a raise at work, and I'm a newbie. Learning a lot from the channel. Thanks for all you do. Keep killing it. Justin, I appreciate that, man. Let's see. Quad U is going. It's at 10:03. It's just kind of hanging out over here. The availability of AMC shares to borrow start finally going down. Well, yeah, that's because we're at 129 million shares on loan. Bro, when you said you spelled that wrong, I spit all over my computer laughing. That fast day of clapback caught me off guard. Dude, trust me, I got him all day long. What's Lux Algo saying about GME buy? Isn't Lux Algo alert system on TradingView? It's like an indicator. I've never used it, but I've heard it's good. I'd watch you on Rumble, F YouTube. Buy GME. You're on my channel right now on YouTube. You're watching me on YouTube. Amy popping up a little bit here. GME trying, but not doing. Oh, there it is on the SPY. There she is coming up here. Let's see. All right, guys. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too as you're filtering in. It helps out a whole lot. How many people we got in here? Oh, smaller crowd today. 1643. How you guys doing? Oh, you guys are doing good. You guys are doing good. Thank you, guys. I appreciate that. How do you feel about lift on the crossover? Probably not touching anything this late in the day. There's not really. I mean, lift coming up nicely. Yeah, and not really because it's done kind of this nonsense today. I'm sweaty? That's kind of weird. 1643, is that the new strategy? No. 1527 on Amy, down about 40 cents. I mean, SPY, that's a nice little candle to the upside here. You asked? Well, that's fair. I didn't ask if you were sweating. Like, that's kind of suspicious, but took my 35% on X. Thank you. Dude, I am never going near steel again. GME earnings next week. I think it's next week. Let's see here. All right. Lift coming up. IWM cross up looks nice. I'm out of settled cash, though. I mean, if you want to swing it, you can. The 3-for-3 strategy failed? What's the 3-for-3 strategy? Have you bought a blockchain domain? I don't know what that was the top, says Squirrel. Well, it came up to the box. That's kind of where it was. Let me see here. Oh, March 3rd. Oh, I gotcha. Tiger Global raises $1 billion of private debt through JP Morgan. Tiger Global. Let's see. Husa's running. Is Oxy running now? It's coming up a little bit. Nothing too crazy. It's just odd that you wouldn't be on Rumble. What if YouTube cuts your channel for whatever reason? You have to plan ahead. It's fair. I did talk about witnessing crack being done, so it's not ideal. We're 1 minute away from the squeeze. Thanks, Armand. My wife just told me to stop trading 1348 if she's going to divorce me. I just deposited another 1,000 into TD. Oh, God. Good job. Good job. Good afternoon, SCV. From Niagara Falls. Woo! There you go. Pfizer getting delisted? No, I don't know where the hell you got that, but that wouldn't make any sense for Pfizer to get delisted. All right, let's see. 1526 on Amy over here. Just YOLO to Neo call for fun. I mean, know the risks, my man. Know the risks. We did say March 3rd, but he never said what year. Give him a break. Oh, man. Let's see. Yeah, Locky dropped. Should have strangled that. Wow, I'm so excited you actually read my message, but you didn't mention the tequila. Wait, what happened? Good afternoon, SCV from Niagara Falls. Oh, what a day. Ready to crack open the tequila. Oh, Oxy. Yeah, Oxy coming up here a little bit. Where's Quad U? We've ditched Oxy for the next best thing. Oh, look at Quad U coming up a little bit here. Oh, man, I was wrong. Yeah, Armand. The hell's wrong with you? Just kidding. Come on, Buffett, slap the ass. Hey, it would be nice to see, man. It would be nice to see. Let's see. What do you think the odds are of SPY filling the gap to the downside tomorrow? I don't know, man. That would be reckless if it did. That's a big boy drop. That would be like a 3% drop in the SPY or something crazy like that. Actually, maybe not. Maybe that's like more like 2.5. Then Sharkfin, Oxy 65, just because you sold. Whatever, man. Just print my quad U's. That's all I really need. Let's see. This was talked about early on. What about retail using price spoofing to our advantage? We can't spoof. we will get not the SEC, the FINRA. They will not like that. Let's see. All right, hold on. Let me check something really quickly. Atticus is digging it. Oh, Atticus is trading with us today. There we go. There we go. All right, let's see. The SEC may not like it, but as we found out lately, all you have to do is leave them on red. I guess so. All right, SPY's trying to come up again here. Oxy trying as well. Where's Quad U? Let's see. Let's see. Not a hedge fund. Thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Went to see Batman at an AMC yesterday. Can't believe that wasn't the catalyst for the squeeze today. Bummer. Yeah, I mean, it was a good movie. I saw it. It was really good. Expecting SPY to turn green and breeze into 440 tomorrow. Entire market is oversold. That would be drunk. Black diamonds. That's funny, my man. All right, guys. Make sure you guys hit that like button and engage it with the content. Oh, you guys are doing great today. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate that. Let's see. Sell 15 AMC puts and lower your cost basis by $2. Well, if you sell puts on it, you're saying you have to buy it at that price. SPY's still coming up here. That's not bad, man. That is not bad. Star Wars fan? Not really. I mean, I've seen them. Let's see here. $15.23 on Amy. Ooh, SPY coming up. There we go. Let's see. Market will bottom on March 15th. What is with you guys and all these predictions today? It's kind of crazy. All right, SPY coming up to touch the box at that previous high right here. Imagine if I held those puts. That would have been stupid. All right, let's see. Amy, let's go, pal. Has anyone heard how Grandpa Barney is doing? I have not heard. I haven't seen him in here, but he said he was feeling a little bit better, I think, the last time he came in. 72% on SPY calls turned to paper-handed. It's all good, man. It's all good. My prediction will be 100% correct. The market will close today at 4 p.m. Eastern. All right. Guys, I got to run to the bathroom really quick. I will be right back. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream really quick. I'm going to be like 2 seconds. I'll be right back. Alrighty, folks. Spa. Quad U looking all right. I wash my hands. Why does this happen every single time? Watch his calls. I don't have calls anymore. Well, I have quad U calls. I don't have spy. I sold my spy calls for like 10%. What's the birthday candle to beat? 35.58%. That's what it is. Let's see here. Because I'm too fast. What if I'm quick? What if I'm quick with it? What if I got hand sanitizer? Oh. Unusual whales tweet? What'd they say? Keep nickel closed tomorrow. Interesting. Yeah, my bathroom's like literally right there. Yeah, nickel market closed tomorrow. That's interesting. All right, Spy's still trying to come up here. Quad U, is this on the 5? All right, this is on the 5-minute. It's at 10. I mean, that's good. Still just slowly coming up. Did you know you can use hand sanitizer as fuel for cooking because it burns so slowly? That's kind of crazy. All right, Spy's still at these higher levels over here. This is kind of crazy. I mean, it's still red on the day, 0.5%, but I mean, kind of 15, 20 Spy and ascending triangle. Yeah, could have held those calls, but you know, whatever, man. I had more conviction on the downside today than I did on the upside. So let's see here. 1520 on AMC over here. It has hit 1530. What's the high of the day on the? Oh wow, it was up here a little bit. 1581 is the high of the day. Spy coming back up. How LME and nickel squeeze as it possible for stocks too? They just close the market. If they close the market on them, it's just like a halt. Like there's nothing to do. Like you can't sell. That's the thing. Like if they're closing the market for it, there is no market. There is no market. So you can't buy, you can't sell. They've just closed the market off. They're trying to figure out what to do with all those margin calls. Because they're not margin calling that Chinese institution yet. They're allowing them to get a little bit more time. All right. Do I think SPY will continue going up? I think it's rejecting at these levels right here, which I think it's gonna continue to do. Well, isn't that just sweet of them? Yeah, I've shown you guys what happened with the Archegos situation where they were just like, no, I have not taken a look at it. And they were just not paying. They were like, nope, no thanks. You can see it dumping in power hour. Yeah, we got about like 15 minutes until power hour here. Let's see. Just started watching Billions. I love it. Scares the shit out of me, even if half of that's real. Yeah, Billions is good. The only problem is, you know who wrote it? This is the issue. I didn't know this until after I finished watching it. You know who wrote it? Sorkin. You know who Sorkin is? That dummy on CNBC that's Boys with Kenny. So that's who wrote it. Spy Shark Fin? Yeah, it looks like it. Amy coming back down to that 14. Oxy can't break 58.50. It's been struggling all day to do that. Like Oxy's just been on the struggle train today. It's just it's been very weird. Did I see your question? No, I did not. What's your question? Like number 582 says, Hugh, I appreciate that, buddy. All right, folks, what do we got going on here? Amy, 1512. We got Spy trying to bounce up a little bit here. HYMC was ripping. Why is my stock in the red while the actual price is above my average? That's probably just how it's showing you. You unless Unless you're on Robinhood and they did something weird to you. Close 423. What's it at now? Yeah, it could. I mean, it's got some support over here, trying to push back into this range. The 5-minute MACD might cross on the SPY here. 997 on Quad U. Max pain for AMC is 17. Let's see here. Oh, it was Robinhood. Yeah, so they're doing some weird stuff. They're doing some weird stuff. All right, so Amy, 1513. UConn plays Seton Hall tonight at 9:30. I did not know that. Well, it's a shark fin. I'll show you. This is a shark fin right here. This is a little shark fin. Up, right back down. This is a big shark fin right here. 1 minute on. This is definitely going to shark fin. Yeah, so this is a shark fin right here. Rips up, slowly walks right back down. Let's see here. Omar, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Just started trading. Thanks for all the not financial advice. Up dollars so far this week. Just got the premium Discord, going through material tonight. There you go, buddy. I love to see that. Thanks for being in the Discord, my man. And special thank you for the super. I really appreciate that, man. Oxy keeps getting rejected at 58.52. It could go at, see, Oxy last Friday had a crazy day, like 12%. Maybe even more, I think. Oxy was going on a moon mission yesterday. What do you think about the death cross that might come on the SPY? I think it's already happened. The death cross on the SPY, I think, has already happened. SPY bounce. Quad U, 997. Not in premium, but the chat has a lot of people sharing their insights and methodology for what they're doing. Lots of knowledge and information to be had. Yeah, guys, we do have that free option over here. So, I mean, you only got really 2 days left for the free chat until there's like a small fee every single month. So if you want those last 2 days in it to get the alerts on it, especially tomorrow with the stocks that are in there, Apple, Uber, Tesla, Micron, and a couple of others, I think those are the 4 that are in there right now. Those make big moves on Fridays. So if you see 13 SPYs coming up here to test the box, if you see big moves happening on those stocks on a Friday with 1348s, ooh, baby, those are wild. So, I mean, you can test it out for the day and just kind of like, it's free. Like today is the second to last day. So make sure you guys go check it out if you want to. Yesterday, Oxy started at 215. Yeah, Oxy right now is not really doing a whole lot. Oops, that's the wrong one. Those are the warrants, I think. Oh, 58.64. There you go. Huge IWM, huge SPY candle too, coming up to this box. Micron might cross on the 5, but it's below the 200. Yeah, I've got Micron puts for. I mean, I have that free Micron put for tomorrow. So let's see what happens with it. I mean, SPY's running here. Oxy broke 58.52. Yeah, it's running. Home Depot just crossed. Yeah. Micron coming up. There goes the SPY. Yeah, it's coming. It's still down today, but I mean, Micron is coming up. So I mean, these were good sells back here. I think I sold. I made it free around here, or maybe right around here. I think I made it free. It was on the stream. Best play for me today was X. I know you don't like it, just because it shark fins so hard. Lou, save us, says Sergio. Oh God, buddy. Oh God. Oh God. Pair about to cross up on the 1348 on a 5. Yeah, it's a little late in the day for stuff. I mean, I'm at a settled cash for today, so we'll see what happens tomorrow. Apple cross on the 5-minute. Yeah, where's Quad U? 10:02, coming back up a little bit here. You tried 821? Have you tried 920? That's what we have. We have 920 on it. Oh, wow. SPY popping here. Let's see. All right, Amy, come on. Your time to shine. 15:25 over here. Let's go. Time to go. We got 10 minutes until power hour. Let's see if it's going to be a power or a sour hour. Your Apple calls are at 30%. Nice job. Nice freaking job. All right, so SPY is ripping right now. Like, really ripping. You got that. Look at this. 1348 cross right here. Discord alerts here. You pull up the chart. You wait for it above the 200 EMA. Bing, bang, boom. Whoop. Right up. Have you tried 719? Crazy movement? Dude, I know. This is wild. 1003 on quad U. What's the strangle at? Strangle's green. Almost regret selling those SPY calls for a 92% gain. Yeah, it's probably been around where mine were, but like, or 50% or something. I don't know. I sold them at 10%. Fine with me. I mean, today's market's been super choppy. Just get out with whatever you can. AMC not following the SPY. It's trying to. It's not doing a very good job, though. It's just kind of locked in here. Remember, I'm going to make a video tonight about this. Like, this is crazy. 129 million shares on loan. 106 million shares estimated to be sold short. That is crazy. Like, let's look at this for a second. All I want is shares on loan and then estimated shares sold short. Where is it? On loan. Exchange reported. I need shares shorted. Vortex estimated current short interest. Where is it? There it is. These numbers right here, 149 million and then 96 million. That's crazy. This is craziness right here. And then this is getting even more crazy where it's just disjointing again, where this is not moving. And then the shares on loan are just climbing. Like, this is wildness over here. Like, look at this, 119, 105. That's not that crazy. It's not that crazy. Then it evens out right back here in November. Then it gaps right here. December, when it spreads out like this, then what do we see? We saw a nice little run up when there were all these shares like this. Then it kind of comes back together. Shares on loan, they're getting returned. And then now they're spreading apart again. So that's an interesting thing that we got to take a look at. Yeah, they pay for those shares on loan. You know what blows the 1348 out of the water? 1449. Nice. Let's see. Is a lady talking at White House, or am I just watching something previously recorded? Red jacket talking about oil and gas. Is it Saki? Let's see here. SPY in the box again. That's very interesting. Where's quad U hanging out above 10? Micron, what's this thing doing? Ooh, Micron. XPEV crossed up. Yeah, but these were probably taking a beating. Yeah, these were taking a beating today. You could play it up to the 200. I wouldn't do that. Walmart candle up. Damn. Woo! Look at that. 1348 cross on Walmart. You get it around here. Shark fins a little bit. I think I took it right around here, I think. And then it just goes boom right up all day long. Are we going to start trading Walmart more? I think we might have to. I mean, Walmart's just been a nice little runner a couple of these days. So do they have earnings coming up? Is that what it is? No, I thought they already reported. We already got through that week. SPY coming down out of the box here. Where the margin call is supposed to be at 2 p.m. Eastern or Central Time? I think they're Eastern. I don't know. Let's see here. Vortex on Indo. That's this one. Let's see. 100% utilization, 99% estimated short interest. Oh my God. 870% average cost to borrow. Jesus, this thing's crazy. This thing is wild. That is wild short interest in cost to borrow numbers on that. 817%. That's like the highest I've ever seen. Whoa, Wes, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. SPY 13,200 cross on a 5-minute seems to hold this trend for a few days. Ooh, interesting. Thank you, Wes. I appreciate that, buddy. And special thank you for the super. You guys know you don't have to send those in if you don't want to, but special shout out to those of you guys who do. Really helps out a whole lot. So thank you guys so much. X was a 1348 play. Yeah, it was. I just like, which one was that? Indo. So it's the Indonesian energy one. Yeah, Walmart's popping up here a little bit. Ben, who got in on that Walmart this morning? Those were dirty. Those were absolutely insane. All right. SPY trying to move here. Saki streamed 22 minutes ago, but looks like she was wearing blue. Interesting. Okay, so it probably wasn't Saki. You missed my super? Vegas. No, I didn't. Where's your super? Vegas, I don't think I missed your super. I think you're lying. I definitely don't have one from Vegas. All right. Walmart coming up here a little bit. Cost ball for Amy is at 1.1% on Stonko Tracker, finally creeping up from like the June. Yeah, so there's a couple of reasons for that. We're gonna go over that in the video tonight too. I got a couple of things I gotta talk to you guys about. Put it together in a video, get it out to everyone. You paper handed the Walmarts? I mean, so did I. You know where my super is? Where is it, Vegas? I don't see it. You made 70% and got out too early, especially in this market, man. VYGR. Voyager Therapy. Down a little. What's this on the 4-hour? I wouldn't touch this yet. I would not touch that yet. Careful. You don't answer my supers either. I answer everybody's messages. All right, SPY's still in the box over here. You got in on the Walmart cross and still have them? Ben, how much are those up? How much are those up, Ben? Left 25% on the table with SPY today. It's okay. Shouldn't watch the options chain. Yeah, after you sell it, that's like the way to make yourself feel bad. Yeah, thanks, buddy. You got Walmart gains. There you go. I think people should be happy even with 30%. The what if? Yeah. What's in the box? The SPY. 90%, Luigi. There you go. Mine are 150%. There you go. Making money, people. Vortex on GME, please. Yeah, I gotcha. GameStop. What do we got here? So on GME, there's 18.66 million shares on loan, 12.64 million shares estimated to be sold short, 20.05% estimated short interest, 2.75% average cost to borrow, and 100% utilization. 240%. There you go, Ben. There you go. All right, people. 2 minutes until power hour. Let's get it going. All right, let's see. 15.20 on Amy. Down 51 cents over here. Might be crap hour. It could be. We got 1 minute till power hour, people. Here we go. Let's see. All right, guys. Yeah. Also, if you don't mind, hitting that like button on the stream helps this get out to some more people here. Let's see what we're going to get going into the end of the day. It's going to be an interesting day here. Also, guys, for those of you guys that don't have notifications turned on for the channel, make sure you guys do that. Helps notify you anytime I go live or post a video. If you guys do want to be notified, then do that. If you don't care, then don't do it. But for those of you guys that do care, make sure you turn those on. Let's see. Power hour. Let's finish strong. I'm hoping, man. Finally got some GME entry under $100. There you go, man. Up 150% on SPY 430 calls. There you go, man. I love that. There you guys go, making money. Can anybody explain why we still have 100% utilization? Because they glitched out and they haven't been able to fix it, or the data that they're getting is just wrong. Because I don't think it's not Vortex's fault. It's just the data that they're getting is probably jacked up. Let's see. SPY green today means 440 plus tomorrow. I don't think so. SPY needs to go up another $2 today. Rumble should just tweet random celebs that hype their ticker up. They can't do that. They could just send letters and then post a letter. Should be like, hey, famous person, we'll give you $100 million, and then they'll just keep doing it. And then one person's gonna be like, yeah, okay, cool, I'll take the 100 mil. And then they're gonna be like, oh shit, we may not have the 100 mil. FTX, the crypto exchange, has applied to the CFTC to allow decentralized clearing of margin products for retail traders. Oh, that's pretty cool. All right, we're getting some news over here. What do we got? IMF, too early to quantify Ukraine damage, reconstruction costs. Interesting. All right, hold on. Crude going down. Yeah, I mean, spot. Where is it? Wow. 106.41 on crude over here. Sold most of my Walmart, keeping a couple for a YOLO. I'm also rolling some for next week to see what happens. What do you think? That's not a bad idea, Ben. Micron crossed up. Yeah, I still have that free put for tomorrow. Just in case. Just in case it gets gnarly to the downside. Die, SPY, die. MC, but it's probably going to come down, test this 13 EMA, and then bounce. It's probably what's going to happen. Prog crossed up on the 5. Yeah. Whoa, look at this barcoding. This is on the 5-minute, too. I wonder what this looks like on the 1-minute. I bet it looks like BBIG that one day. Oh, my God. They have taken control of this thing, man. Jesus. Micron. Yeah, I know Micron crossed up. But let's see if it falls tomorrow. I don't know. Made it free. Let's see what happens. What news site am I using? It's not a news site. It's just a news feed from Twitter. It's called Fast Stock News. Kyung Kim, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I really appreciate that. Took some else today, but that's okay. There's always tomorrow. Very true, man. They're playing good defense. Yeah. Your likes disappeared 3 times today? That's annoying. Lou, the type of guy to only play earnings one way. All right. AMC end of the week prediction. So I'm going to tell you what it's going to close at tomorrow. The easiest, I don't know. I have no idea. I would say max pain, but if we're already under max pain, then it's probably not going to go up to max pain. You holding anything overnight? Yeah, the quad U strangle, the U, this one. And then the free Micron put I'll hold into tomorrow. But it's free. Like if that goes to 0, I've already made money on Micron. Like I've already made because I made it free and I had some profit taken off too. Yeah, max pain's at 17 going into the end of this week. All right, folks. Let's see here. Let's see. Hey, STV, stop scheming. Oh, 600 Valley of Death. Did you go to English class? You learned how to fucking spell? All right, SPY coming down to this 13. Let's see what happens here. I have a feeling we're going to finish right under 17 tomorrow. It's possible. It's possible. Let's see. Vortex on Prague? Yeah, sure. Sure. Gotcha. All right, so 93% utilization, 8.24% average cost borrow, 13% short interest, returned of 1.43 million shares today. SPY bouncing off that 13. Swing a SPY put? No. I already have the Micron put. If I would do anything on the SPY, I'd actually get a call to basically strangle it. You bully? Yeah, okay. All right, let's see. Amy 1512 down about 60 cents today. We got SPY. Bouncing off of the 13 here. Who has $10 puts on Berk B? Isn't Berk B at like $4,000 or something? How many shares out on AMC today? What do you mean? Like net? So for AMC today, we've got net borrow of 115,000 shares. There's 129 million shares on loan though. It's going to break hard to the downside. Oh, returned 638,000. I mean, you really only care about the net number. Net borrow of 115,000. Would there be any catalyst for CEI? Oil doing its thing like it's been doing. Let's see here. Did anyone else see the tweet of POTUS blaming CPI of 7.9% on Putin? No, he didn't. That's stupid. That doesn't make any sense. Like, that really makes zero sense. Doug TV, thank you so much for the super, buddy. Guys, I really appreciate all the generous supers today. I really appreciate that, guys. Hey, Vix, can you share some info on ALZN if you have anybody? Or if you haven't done any D, can you load the Vortex on it? I don't know what ALZN is. I've heard of it, but I don't really... I don't know what this is, but I'll check the Vortex on it for you. Let's see here. 55.65% utilization, 13.99% average cost to borrow, 0.67% estimated short interest, though. Weird numbers here on the Vortex for this thing. Very weird numbers on Vortex for that thing. Hard rejection off the trend line coming down. SPY down. Micron. Falls below 75. Ooh, there it goes. Quad U. 992. Yeah, that's a pretty big rejection over here. All right, 5-minute MACD cross down on the SPY. Let's see here. All right, SCV hedgy tiers. That was a weird comment, but it's fine, you know. All right, people. Let's see. All right, the likes cannot be that number. Somebody fix it. Somebody fix it. That's not allowed. We cannot have that. Nope. It cannot be that number. If you guys see that number, that's not allowed. That is the devil number. We cannot have that. Don't leave it there. Don't. That's not okay. Thank you. Okay, it's gone now. That was staring me in the face. I was like, no, I don't want it. I don't like it. I don't like it. Let's see. Shark fin. Yeah, a little bit here. All right, Amy 1510. Down 60 cents. Let's see what we're going to get over here, people. HYMC Moonbound. Oh, baby. This thing's up 117%. Jesus. Cut SPY still made 40%. There you go, man. I mean, you were in it before I was. Market is based on greed. One of the 7 deadly sins is all the devil's play. Okay, yeah, but I don't want that number staring me in the face while I'm trying to work over here. In at 32 cents. You're in it. Oh, I was gonna say. That's pretty good, M. Kriegs. That is pretty good. Lazy. Thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Lou, the type of guy to smoke crack on a golf course in front of a young and terrified STV. Oh boy, I wouldn't say that. That's a bit much. I don't think he's smoking crack. You want to get things done, you got to do it yourself. Called TD High Up Mortgage Office and told them to send the letter to my lawyer to sign or I sue. Ryan, that's a good thing to do. I want to make a joke about you being a Karen, but like I know that has to get done. So good job. What did TMI tweet? Oh, he's doing it. He's doing it. He's going to do it. Oh, baby. Here he goes. All right, let's see here. All right, everybody. So Amy flickering around. We got SPY moving a little bit here. We got HYMC coming up nicely. Fell asleep with my SPY calls and woke up being up 200%. Jonah, woo! There you go, buddy. A lot of people getting rich off AMC puts, they have to get their money back when illegal naked shorting is proven. Jim, you know the answer to that question. No. That's like saying if like Lockheed runs up and there's like war, do you have to give your money? No. You can see a knee. Yeah, but you're not going to see an ankle. What's up, guys? Just got home from work to see X on a moon mission. Dude, X is weird. X is like a weirdo over there. Yeah, HYMC running. Running. Where's that Tusk one? M. Creed, what's Tusk? How's Tusk doing today? Yeah, down a little bit. Down a little bit over here. SPY just hanging around that 13 EMA. I'm a knee guy? That's weird. HYMC 1348 on the daily. Ooh. Not above the 200 EMA though. I've pulled up HYMC many times in the past. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. X go and give it to, yeah, I mean, in a good or bad way. Either one. It's going to give you something. Let's see. We got like 45 minutes left here, people. Let's see what we're going to get. HYMC doing all right. Let's see here. You're up 65% on Tesla 835 calls. Hell's Gate. There you go, buddy. Walmart is the slowest rocket ever. Is it still going? Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Hold on. That's crazy. Uncomfortably long hook. Oh, my God. You guys are going, Mark, you're going pretty far, buddy. You're getting tired of the lawyer and both TD saying it's not their job to start the process and pointing the finger at each other. That's fair. If you just threaten to sue people, I feel like they typically do what you ask. Yeah, I'm surprised they have an option chain for HYMC. Yeah, I wouldn't go anywhere near it. It's not worth it. It's more worth it to just buy the share, like literally hold shares, buy some puts. Because like, look, HYMC, what's this up today? 117%. Okay, what are the options up? 400%. If any stock goes up 117% in a day, typically you'd be up 10,000% at least. So the risk reward sometimes isn't there. You need the stock to do 115% moves. How likely is that? Well, I don't know. These stocks kind of tend to do it sometimes. But you got to time it right. It's almost more worth it just to buy the shares on it, buy some puts to protect your downside, and then you're good to go. You're up 400% on CLF. There you go. If you don't make Oxy Rocket, I'm going to sue you. I can't control the price. All right, people, let's see here. What do we have here? SPY. Ooh, SPY coming up. Amy 1519 doing all right. Let's see here. Because they're only entitled to $305K. What my mortgage is, they're lying to claim $480K of my house. That's why I'm pissed. Oh, that's bullshit. Ryan, is that more currency conversion nonsense that they're trying to pull? You said threatening to sue makes people do things? Right, but I can't. It's not like I have control to do it. It's not like I'm just being lazy and I'm just like, oh, I'm not going to do it. STV, stop fucking around and push the AMC go up button. I can't. There is no button. Let's see. Lose subscribers went down by almost 5,000. Well, that's what happens when you say bullshit and people finally understand. People used to get so mad at me for talking shit when something stupid would come out and be like, bro, why aren't you just taking it like, why do you have to be like that to him? And I'm like, because it's stupid and it's messing with our money. That's why. Jim's tweet, the Kramer. What did the Kramer say? The pressure from defaulting funds and hedge funds that have huge withdrawals are causing immense problems. Yeah, that's what happens when you completely over leverage yourself when the market's about to tank. All right, SPY's coming back up a little bit here. Oh, yeah, big shark fin on Bitcoin this morning. Right as the inflation data came out, it was like up, shark fin really hard. Nothing will move up until SPY breaks 426. It did. It just didn't hold. It needed to hold that. Jim Cramer is the greatest and most successful trader ever made. No, I don't think so. Am I playing Ulta earnings? Damn it. I really want to. Well, okay. Hold on. Elf Beauty. What did they do on their earnings? Where's their earnings? Kind of a dud. What are the other beauty companies? I know there's Elf, and then I know Ulta. Ulta can move. Ulta, Jesus, this is going to be a disaster. Ulta, I don't know. Quad U, hold on. Quad U, 1005. Sephora, is they publicly traded though? Cody, that's one. And they're not moving big. MAC. I know Elf moved giant one time. SPY trying to get back into the box. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to play anything. I don't think I will. Let's see. X is on 80 on the R side. Is X reading? Oh, shit. See, this would have terrified me. This right here, if I got on X on this cross and it did this, I would have gotten out so quick. First red candle, I would have been like, nope, I'm out. Like, I can't do it again. Like, that's how I would feel about Steel. But Steel is ripping. Play X? No. I refuse. I do have my Micron put for tomorrow, though. See, like, I don't want to just, like, I have a lot of plays that are just kind of out there right now, and I don't want to, like, I don't want to, like, I don't want to tie up more cash on, like, a YOLO. Like, it's not, because earnings are essentially that. They're just YOLOs. Play Tesla tomorrow? Maybe. We could play some. X is ripping right now. L'Oreal is curing. Nope. All right. 15.19 on Amy. SPY coming down to that 13. All right. Let's see. Yeah, guys. Also, if you don't mind, hitting that like button on the stream. That's all I ask for. It helps out get this info out to some more people. Thank you guys so much. Let's see here. Steel, the new synthetic nickel, maybe? Nah, Steel's already been ripped, like really going a lot. Like it just. I'd buy puts on Steel right here. If it hits 33.95, if it hits 34, puts. It's funny how Kramer phrased it like, oh no, poor hedge funds are having such a hard time right now. Boo-hoo. Yeah. Is this an algo only volume day? Pretty much, man. Like nothing's real. I mean, Micron was good. Walmart was really good. Other than that, it's like steel. Were we gonna take steel? No, not after it. Shark fins on us 8 million times. Wait, where can I move my leg to? Okay, we're good right here. I can't show you guys the ankles too early. It can't happen. Quad U, is it going? Trying. Quad U is trying here. What's the strangle doing? Call side of the strangle's up 41%. That's not bad. Let's see here. Opinion on uranium? I'm strangling it into next week. If they say anything about uranium sanctions, it'll go nuts. But if they don't, I mean, it could still go up on the expectation that they do. Or if they come out and say, yeah, we're not doing anything on it, then it'll tank. Let's see. DraftKings going boom. Oh, Disney, hold on. There's something going on here. Yeah, DraftKings running. Hold on. I got some news on. Where is it? Right here. What's the tweet? MLB Players Association reached tentative agreement in the deal. Check Disney, DraftKings, Penn, and Caesars. Where's Penn? Little bit. CZR. Nothing. Disney. So DraftKings is the one that's ripping the most off that. Disney didn't move, but DraftKings did move on that, on the MLB stuff. How come you don't read chats from non-supers? It must be your first day here. I've literally read everybody's chat, bro. Let's see. SoFi crossing on the 5. Yeah, it's still below the 200 EMA, though. No, been here a long time, pal. Yeah, that's just not true then. So you just don't know what's going on. I've never said a super and he reads mine like 15 times a day. Exactly. That's how this works over here. What do you think of the 13F filings for Mullen? I haven't looked at it yet. Mad Dog, just because you're coming at me being an asshole, I'm not going to look at your stock. That's how this works. Mark, thanks for the super. Don't read this super. I appreciate that. Fix reads my comments always, and it's appreciated. Yeah. Mark, I mean, Mad Dog, just because you're being an a-hole here, now you don't get your stock read. That's how it works over here. You're going to be disrespectful and a silly loser, then you don't get your silly stock looked at. Oh, you're so cool. Yeah. Well, you're the one asking me for stock advice. So, I mean, SPY coming down to that 25. SPY is flickering. SPY is flickering. Let's see here. All right, everybody. Lazar knows. Alien. Why are you bringing up Bob Lazar right now? STV, what's up, Kimberly? How you doing? Emotional damage. That's a good one. He's reading my messages all the time. No supers. Exactly. Like, I love you were 780. That's cool. Thank you. Appreciate it. But don't come in here being rude and then ask me for stock advice. That's not how this works. Let's see. STV, the type of guy to ban supers. Where you at, Mark? Where you at, Mark? Mark, I'm going to time you out for your super. I'm going back to your super. Just kidding. I'm not going to do that. All right, here, people. So we got about 36 minutes left. STV, hold it down. I'm trying. Hey, STV, why do you read my non-super messages? You're now following your rule of only not reading super. All right. I'm confused. All right, Amy. 15-18 over here. What do we got? Spy had the Doritos Locos Tacos. Not yet. It hasn't really done it yet. Whoa, what's up, Big Stout? How you doing, buddy? I'll take a timeout for some Boom Boom candles. All right, Darstar. There you go, pal. 15, 20. It's coming up a little bit here. Spy's bouncing off that 25. We got about 35 minutes left to go. Damn, this crap is getting annoying with AMC. At least the stream is entertaining. I try. I can't sacrifice everybody. Mods. How that UUU strangle? Let's check. Should be green. It's definitely green right now. Yeah, it's in the green. Do you know how quiet it would be if you were only reading supers? Dude, exactly. Like, I don't know how we would only do that. The only time that I would only be able to read supers, I would still read messages that I saw, was if we had like wild amounts of people in here. But I would still read everybody's chats. Aaron, thanks to the super, buddy. Does Coors have anything on Vortex? Let me take a look. Core Scientific. It should here. Let's see what it 2.79% estimated short interest, 160% average cost to borrow, 91% utilization. That's kind of wild. Really low short interest, high utilization, and high cost to borrow. Those are weird ones. All right. Here comes a Quad U coming back up here. Getting a little spicy. Hope you read this since it's not a super. So Walmart for a 52% gain. Solid, man. There you go. When's the news on uranium supposed to come out? I have no idea. Smash the like. Thank you, Pam. I appreciate that. All right. Quad U's coming up here. I like this. The contracts expire next week. I think uranium could be solid next week. So we have the strangle. Let's see if it's going to be a big one. It'd be nice if it just goes boom one day. I send so many chats. It's annoying, but he still reads all of mine. Trace Hoodie. I do my best, man. All right. Spy. Still doing its thing over here. 1522 on Amy. Let's see. Read the last super chat. I did already. I've read all of them. SV read my comment today when I called him a nerd. You didn't call me a nerd, I don't think. I think we kind of figured it out that you weren't calling me a nerd. You're up 100% on Quad U. Jose. Woo! There you go, buddy. New here, Angry Puppy. Pretty sure that's Mad Dog. Pretty sure that's Mad Dog. Hi, Mad Dog. I see you. I know it's you. You're not very you're not your profile picture still says M. That wasn't very convincing. All right. AB, let's go. Quad U, let's go as well. You skipped Lou's super chat? Oh boy. Let's see. All right, folks. What do we got? Amy 1523. Come on, Spy. Do your thing here. You guys finding that funny? I guess that's what we're doing over here. Mad Dog, I forgive you. Wes, thanks for the super, buddy. You have a question. You sent me a super that said you had a question. What's your question? You have 20 calls for tomorrow at 17. That's going to be tough. Wes, thanks for the super. Can you? All right, here we go. Can I what? Still has an M. That's the funniest thing all day. That might be the Quad U. Well, it's trying. What do I do? I mean, you can sell them now or you got to hold them, man. That's the issue playing weeklies on Amy. Fractional question. Yeah. I don't know if he's going to ask me a question. I think he just said, can I? Oh, Wes, help me. All right, Wes. Okay, I got you. I see it's coming in here. All right. They're slowly filtering in. Wes, thank you for the supers. I appreciate that, man. Can I help you what? Quad, you going to boom today? I mean, maybe not today, but I think next week it definitely could. And maybe tomorrow. Pops has a question. Exxon ripping. There you go. All right. J Dub has another question. All right, there we go. So Quad, I feel like Wes might just be leaving me hanging over here. He's asking me to do something. Quad, oh, there it is. Can I help you with your? Okay, it's coming in. Wes, thank you for the super. I appreciate it. Can I help you with your? All right, here we go. We're slowly getting the message in here. Wes, thank you for the supers, bud. I really appreciate it. Can't believe you only read super chats when someone sends a super. I'm so confused. Homework. How's Lucid? I don't know. Let's check the look. Down 4.63%. Not looking good on 1348. I wouldn't touch that right now. With the same pick, yeah. Oh, what's up, Squirrel? How you doing, buddy? All right. Which STC do I use for trading? Just type in SCHAFF and it'll be the first one there. Oxy, is it running? Oxy running up a little bit here. Wes is playing a strangle strategy on supers. We may not have enough time to get through the question. I don't know. You have a question? All right, what's your question? These shills are so smart. Yeah. Sergio, your boy is an idiot. He doesn't know what he's talking about ever. Ever. Never, ever. Oh, trust me, I know people on the street. No, you don't. You might. They probably have no idea what they're talking about. Because people on the street, most of them don't have experience with this type of stuff. Oh, yeah, the real price of it. Shut up. Oh, yeah, don't buy it. Get out of here. Please don't yell at me. Sergio, if you have not learned after this week, then there's nothing that I can do to help you. Golf swing. Oh, there we go, Wes. I 100% can help you with your golf swing. I'm a very, very good teacher. I will definitely help you with your golf swing. Wes, thank you so much for all those supers, buddy. I appreciate that. Your neighbors must be tripping. They must be. Shills are heavy today. No, Sergio just likes Lou, which is fine. But it's just, oh, it hurts my brain. Asking a homeless. It all makes sense that Lou's talking about the actual street. He's asking a homeless guy that screams at pigeons. It all makes sense now. All right, here we go. I just like, oh man. I'm no shill. Lou is just my boy. All right, man. That's fair, I guess. That's fair. You can like who you want. That's fair. You just got to understand that, like, when somebody then comes out and says he's going to short it on the way down, he wants nothing to do with it, and then also thinks that if it doesn't happen this month, it doesn't happen. Behind the scenes, this is literally everything that like me and a couple other people have been talking about was probably coming. Eventually, it's going to flip where he's going to be like, it's over. And then we all have to be like, oh boy, here we go. Because then people are going to listen or they're just not, which it looks like they're not going to listen, which is fine. But like, let's see. I'm not Squirrel. I'm not gonna play Docu. Amy's coming up a little bit here. 15.29, not bad. Who is buddies with the JP Morgan exec? No, see, I will defend them on this one. Okay, I will defend Lou and the people on this one. What they did and what they said they were doing, which I do believe, was going to JP Morgan to see if they could directly route the shares to the exchange. And everybody just gets JP Morgan accounts and they do it that way. People that are saying that they got bought out by JP Morgan, that's silly. No. JP Morgan is never going to be like, let's just pay this dude. No, they're never going to do that. To do what? Like, you can't, like, what has he said? He thinks AMC is going to go up. Like, that makes no sense. I don't think that that's true. But I also think that, like, I'll defend him on that one, but I just think it's silly. Like, I think the whole situation is just silly. Angry Puppy, thanks for the super buddy. I appreciate that. Here you go, pal. Thanks, pal. Let's see. I think AMC is my favorite stock. It's my favorite stock too. How about IREN? Okay. I feel like I should stick to my principles here, even though you were being mean. You changed your name on me and tried to trick me. Change your name to Fierce Canine? All right. If you change your name to Fierce Canine, then I'll look at IREN for you. I'm just kidding. I mean, this is my job. I'll look at IREN for you. IREN. Oh, man. 4 hour. 1348 crossing above the 200 EMA on the 4 hour. Look, it could run a little. This could run a little bit here. So it could go. Where's Quad U? 10-10. But I wouldn't I wouldn't take what I have never looked at it. I've never looked at it. So I've literally just looked at the 4 hour chart on it. That's all I did quickly. So don't make never ever make an investment decision on what I say. I sit here, I YOLO. If you want to use the strategy on 1348, go for it. If you don't, it's fine. I just watched the video or a couple of them. A lot of people aren't understanding correctly. He said he's pissed at AA and after it squeezes, he's put it. Oh, that's fine. I mean, that's also what happens too. I haven't seen it. I'm not playing any earnings. I think I'm done playing earnings until next earnings season. The IV on everything is just too high. I mean, you can hit them, but you need a giant mover. Rivian, I think, could be a giant mover. But it's going to be really expensive. Like, where's Rivian right here? If I could spend like $100, I'd do it. Which I don't think I can. Rivian's at 40. Yeah, they're really expensive too. Let's see here. Whoa, John, thank you so much for that big super, dude. I appreciate that. Today was a father-daughter day. 1348 made it possible. My daughter Madeline has never seen me so happy. Your Discord is a printing machine, John. I love to hear that, man. I'm really happy that it's working for you, buddy. I really, really am. Guys, if you do want to check it out, we do have the link to it in the top of the chat over here. You get tomorrow free, essentially, because this is going to be the last day of the 2-week little trial that we're doing. Now, tomorrow's an interesting day because there's a lot of zero data expiration stuff, which could be fun. You could get sparked or you can make a crap load of money. Last time we did this, it was really good on the Friday. The Uber one that alerted, the Apple one, they were all good. So if you guys are interested, make sure you guys check that out. John, thank you so much for that generous super, dude. I really, really appreciate that. What clubs do I play with? Ping S55s. Let's see here. Walmart going to lose 5 million customers after AMC squeezes and we can all upgrade to Target in the mall. Dude, Target is not an upgrade. Is it? Do you guys consider Target an upgrade from Walmart? I haven't been able to poop in 3 weeks, but I used 1348 today and broke my toilet. Interesting. Crap face. I feel like with your name, you'd be able to do that, you know? My 10-year-old owns 7 shares of AMC, told his mom he didn't need to do chores for money because he owns stocks. That's hilarious. Day 4 of no carbs. I feel like one of those sick people on I'm Legend. Ritz, you're gonna be fine. Target's way better. Is it? My girl loves Target. Loves Target. I feel like a lot of girls love Target though. You can go to Walmart, obviously. Okay, the store. Well, there's like a big Walmart around here, and then there's like a Target. Okay, fine. You guys are gonna eat. All right, Amy 1527 over here. Let's see what we're gonna get going into close. Yeah, you actually read the poop one. See, I do read messages. Sniff public bicycle seats. Oh my god. Super Targets are awesome. Interesting. Say it right. Target, is that what you're trying to say over here? That's weird. Super Target would blow your mind. Super Walmart's pretty wild too. Like the Walmart that is by us is like it has a grocery store in it, which is kind of wild. Walmart at night. I've been to Walmart at night a few times. That's when I bought my TV. At night at Walmart. The Walmart in my town got famous for 2 women fighting in an aisle, and one of the women was yelling at her 8-year-old to hit the other lady. Oh, that's hilarious. Oh, that's so funny. All right, Spy's coming up here. Let's go to Target. She'll be there for an hour or more. Yeah, I'm down to go to Target. I should text her right now. Let's go to Target and see what happens. Your Super Walmart is classy. That's pretty interesting. It's on YouTube. Oh, I gotta watch that, man. I gotta watch that. All right, Rivian coming up here. I'm not playing Rivian earnings. It can move big. Spy's coming back up to the box here. Walmart People is a great YouTube series. Jeez. Used to go in the middle of the night when they were stocking. Used to get boxes for free. Interesting. Walmart delivery going inside Walmart. Yeah. 1528 on Amy. She's kind of hanging out here. We're probably gonna go flat. I mean, nothing too wild going on. We're not seeing any of these boom boom candles fire off yet. It's coming though. I think it's coming. You go to a different school, Canada? No. Is there difference between totalable shares and tradable shares? I don't know what you mean by totalable. The algorithms playing with the spy? Yeah. I'm Canadian. Alex. No. Bad Alex. No Walmarts in Chicago. Only the burbs. The mafia made a deal with Target. Interesting. Quad U. Is it going? Jeff, I was so excited there for a second that we were going to make some Quad U money. I'm still green. Tradable, loanable. Yeah, there's a difference. You know what, Alex? All right, my bad. Total amount of shares versus tradable. Yeah, well, outstanding shares is like total amount. The float is like tradable, but then you can subtract like ETFs and mutual funds. That Amy's coming up. That like hold it and then don't trade it. So it's essentially locking them up. So that's what Adam Aaron did. It's essentially like not 90% of the entire amount. It could be way more. It's like 90% of the amount of the float minus ETFs. So it's probably like 85. Can I check Neo on the 4-hour? Yeah. Neo on the 4-hour. Neo just looks bloody on the 4-hour. Looks down. Trend is down. Lower highs, lower lows. Amy, 1348 cross. I get above the 200. We got 15 minutes left here, people. Did someone try to say something bad about Waffle House? The only first and only time I've been to a Waffle House was when I went to go visit Gabe, TMI, and Trey in Florida. And we were there at like 3 or 4 morning, dropping alpaca off at the airport. Honestly, wasn't that good. Kind of overrated, not gonna lie. Let's see here. Let's see here. I'm reading something about a bear trap on AMC. What are your thoughts? It could be. I mean, this is just market moves. It's all it is. It's all market moves. That's all it is. Waffle House rocks? Nah. SV, you're literally by far the best at reading messages. Allows us chatters to interact with you, and no one else is as good as you while going over it. Thank you, Alex. I appreciate that, buddy. How dare I short Waffle House? It just wasn't that good, bro. It just was not that good. Also, it definitely wasn't made with love. Those people were really pissed to see us at like 4 a.m. They're like, what is up with these people? Like, there's some dude in a mask and coming in. It's like the boys on Reddit have a picture of TMI with no mask. I don't think they do. Let's see. BBIG had an 8K filing this morning about Cryptide Amendment. Ooh, interesting. No, they didn't make it with love. They didn't. They were angry at us that we were in there. The home of jaywalkers? That's kind of weird. Oh, D's, you'll be fine. Unsubscribe. Have I seen TMI without a mask? Maybe. Maybe I have. Maybe I haven't. Do you think the whole time it was actually Lou in the Martin costume? Rants. Dude, every time, bro. Every time. All right, AB, get above this 200 EMA and going on a little bit of a run. 13 minutes left in the day. Come on. BBIG delayed Cryptide. Oh, that's not great. That's not what we want to see here. Does he have a goatee? I don't know. Let's see. Oh, Amy, come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. 30 cents more. Go green. Let's see. Paul, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Thank you for your effort today. What are your thoughts on Shiba and the rest of crypto for the rest of the year? Okay, so I think Shiba is honestly going to move a lot like AMC. It's going to take its time, but eventually it will run again. I don't think it's going to die. I think the community behind it is pretty strong. People are still very interested, just like Doge. So like Doge and Shiba are probably going to run again. Do I know when? I don't know. How high? I got no idea. But I think it will run again. Am I going to buy it, hold for the long term? Probably not. Will I trade it if it starts to go again? Probably yes. Let's see here. Wes, thank you so much for the super, buddy. Just ordered your same clubs. No need for your swing tips. Also added 30 yards to my drive with Tiger Woods head cover. Can I get my super chest back? Thanks, bud. Wes, you shouldn't. My clubs are old, bro. I got those in high school. Those were like expensive too. When I bought those, I was like, damn. And then I accidentally snapped one. Like, I didn't do it on purpose. I've never snapped clubs on purpose. I was like right next to a tree, and I was just trying to like I think it was my 8-iron. I like tried to just like bunt it out a little bit, and I just like hit it, and the club went a little bit I let it go a little bit too far, and it literally barely hit the tree, but the whole shaft just went, and I was like, oh shoot, that's not good. What's the deal with Teddy Zane? Who's that? Have you ever seen TMI and I'm Dante in the same room? I haven't. All right, people. Let's see. Amy 1538 trying to come up here a little bit. Let's see. GME with a nice little candle over here. Come on, Amy. Let's go. Closing candle above here and let's rip. Do I hold any crypto long term? No, not yet. You go off in CT, meet up for a quick 9 sometime? Yeah, 100%, man. Let's do it this summer. Are we holding Micron calls overnight? I have my free Micron put that I'm holding. It's free. It's free money. Oh, you're one of those angry golfers? I'm not. It was an accident. I just like kind of hit it and it just went floop. And I was like, oh, shoot. I didn't even realize I did it. It was like, I was like, how did that happen? Oh, closing candle above. 29 cents more. Come on, Amy. Let's go. Run into close here. Let's go, Amy. You're earning over 100% APY on the crypto that I'm holding. Yeah, well, you know what? You could be earning like 1,000,000% APY with another one. Why aren't you doing that? Huh? Why aren't you earning 1,000,000% APY, Joshua? Huh? Come on now. What are you doing here? You got 100%. Why not go for the 1,000,000%, huh? Why don't you do like whatever those DAOs are? What is it? Or what's it called? Olympus? I think wasn't that the one? Why don't you just go with that one? Let's see. Oh, it's a YouTuber? I've never heard of him. Blink Vortex? Hold on. Amy's coming up. Blink Vortex. Blink, blink, blink. All right, 37.95% estimated short interest, net return. That's high short interest. Wait, Blink has earnings, I think. Blink pretty sure has earnings today. Earnings. I'm pretty sure Blink has earnings today. Yeah. Amy coming up here nicely. I like that. BLNK. Charging. Hold on. Hold your horses. We're gonna do. How cheap is it? Is it bad? Oh, it's not that bad actually. 30. 20%. I don't think it's worth it. Let's finish green. I'm hoping, man. All right, here we go. Peabody gets yeah, I saw that. On Cole. Goldman step. Jesus. I'm on one today. Yeah, I am. Micron running into close. Should I hold overnight? I mean, I wouldn't. I'm not. The only reason why I'm holding my put overnight is because it's free. I've made it completely free. I've already made money on the trade. Not a lot if this contract goes to 0, but it's still a green trade. Let's see here. Guys, make sure you hit that like button on the way in too. Helps out a whole lot getting more people in here and with the algorithm. Spy's coming back up into the box here. We got Amy down 29 cents here. Let's go. Hi, Vix. Oh, what's up, Pushin? How you doing, buddy? Let's see. Down about 36% on a 6x futures trade. Joshua, why aren't you getting 1,000,000% APY? Why aren't you getting 1,000,000% APY, bro? Hold on. Let me see. If I can find 1,000,000% APY crypto, I'll let you know. Weren't there some that were like 100,000? It was like 100,000% APY. Something crazy. I was always intrigued by those. I was like, that sounds cool. I know it's a scam, but like, I don't know it's a scam. I figured out how they worked and I was like, oh, that kind of makes sense. But then I was like, sounds like a peer or a Ponzi scheme to me. John says tomorrow I better play hard to make up for shopping with the daughter. Hey man, let's do it. Yeah, that was a scam. Well, yeah, I mean, let's see. Amy trying to come up here a little bit. 1542. All right. How do I get into premium just for one day? You can't, but you can get into the free part. The 2-week free of those 5 alerts ends tomorrow. So you can go in there. It's linked at the top. All you guys, it literally like just try it out for tomorrow. Like I've been telling you guys this week was going to be the last week to get in there and kind of get those free alerts to see what it's like. After tomorrow, there's gonna be like a small monthly fee every single month to get the 3-minute alerts on those 5 stocks. You're gonna get daily alerts, but you won't have access to any of the live streams, any of the crypto alerts, or any of the other time frames on the stocks that we're alerting on. That's only for the premium members. 25 million in volume on Amy. 24.44 right now pushing. The highest APY I ever saw in crypto was about 300% on Cakecoin, which is about $7 at the time. Then spiked to 37 while still paying out 330. It's a poop coin now, though. Yeah. Chatty Factory. That's not That's not what it is. We're creating a new tier for you. It's gonna be like 10, 15 bucks a month if you wanna get into the other stuff. But you'll be making it back. That's the thing. It's a tax write-off. So you can join it, you can not join it, but we will keep telling you about it because the strategy is very, very good. Less than 5% turnover too. Jeez, man. Took 120% on Wally. There you go. Yeah, nice buy candle here. It's starting to come up. Amy coming down a little bit into close. We got 5 minutes left to go, people. Here we go. Here we go. Blaze up. Blaze up. There you go. Oh, you were talking to Blazed. Gotcha. I thought you were smoking. Oracle still running? Yeah, I'm not playing it. I'm not playing any earnings. I mean, you could, but it's just not for me. Not for me today. Dun, 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 dun. I am so technically. Ah, there we go. There we go. Pushing. Has AMC cost to borrow increased? A little bit. Enzo, what's up, man? How you doing? Do you do coke or smoke weed? No, I don't. All right, here. John, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Hit the like for our man who set us up all to make money. SV changes lives. Thank you, John. I appreciate that, buddy. Lost 60% of my total 1348 money today. Just goes to show you, don't diamond hit stuff. Trade mustache. We talked about this. Stop, loss, stop, loss, stop. What'd you do with the Micron, bro? Oh, did you not sell your Micron? Trey's mustache. You were up like 150%. You got to at least make it free at that point. SV only pops oxys. I don't do any of that. No, I don't actually. Let's see. Blink coming down. Spy flickering over here. Nope. Can we trade options to the UK? You should be able to if you get on like Interactive Brokers or something. Let's see. 3 minutes left to go, people. Yeah, I was up 167% on Micron at one point. Dude, you could have sold half and made 30% at least. 33.5%. Fish drinks water and energy drinks. Dude, I haven't drank in so long. Tasty works for options in the UK. Oh, there you go. There you go. All right, let's see here. Look at Spy goes sideways. Yeah. 2 minutes. Here we go. Do you do beer? Okay. Guess how many? Here's the thing. You guys know I like vodka, right? Cool. Guess how many beers I've drank in my entire time at college. Remember, I was going out Thursday night, Friday night, Saturday night, Saturday during the day for like 2.5 years straight. So yeah, take a guess. I know the number of how many beers that I've had in college. Okay, 3, interesting. 2, interesting. 1, interesting. Let's see. Let's see what you guys guess. 420. 2, interesting. I think it's 3. It's about 3. It's like, oh, no, I think it's 5. No, it's 5. It's 5. It's not 3. It's 5. I forgot about the other 2. It's 5. That's how many. Solely vodka. Then I started to get on seltzers, and I was like, all right, this is kind of cool. But then I was like, 0 as you're a lightweight. Oh, you want to test that? Vodka. All right. Spy coming back down to the lower end of the box here. We got less than a minute to go. Does O'Doul's count? Isn't that like non-alcoholic? If you don't remember it doesn't count. No, it's 5. Not the best seltzer is the natty the natty Aloha Beaches. That's the best one. Stoli. Stoli's got good flavors. Van Gogh's got the best flavors. You're so light you could float away, son. How much do you think I weigh, bro? How many times you blacked out in college? 0. I've never done it. Even after like the bottle challenge, I still remember pretty much everything. I just don't. I think it's a myth. I think blacking out's a myth. Oh. Ding, ding, ding. The market is closed. So, guys, if you are going to head out, make sure you guys hit that like button on your way out. Helps out a whole lot. I'll have a video out for you guys tonight around 6. And other than that, guys, thank you so much for an awesome day. If you do want to learn more about the Discord, the strategies that everybody's using to make, lots of money. John's crushing it. A lot of other people in here are really doing well with it too. Make sure you check out the link pinned in the live chat over here, or the first link in the description. It's the same link, whatever's easier for you. You get that last day of the free trial tomorrow before there's going to be a small fee to be in there. So, again, guys, thank you so much for an awesome day. That was really fun. I love that all you guys are always coming in here having some fun. So, shout out to all the mods, the members, especially the new members. You guys are awesome. And everybody just being positive. Hit that like button on the way out. And peace.